Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Pasha Rahmadani. I wanted to introduce my family here. This is my mom. Her name is Rubikati. She's 40 years old, Javanese, and live in East Java. My mom's hobbies are cooking and shopping. She's don't work, she just take care of the house. She's really patient and loving person when it comes to family. And this is my dad. His name is Amsori. He's 46 years old, also Javanese, and live in East Java. My dad's hobbies is picking up cars and he sells vegetables every day for work. At home, she's pretty strict, but he's also really good to all of us. And this is my little sister. Her name is Aziza Humaira. She's 9 years old, also Javanese, and live in East Java. She's in second grade at elementary school, and she loving playing with dolls. She can be a little annoying sometimes, but she's also super cheerful. So that's a bit about my family. That's the short video about my family. See you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.